Hey guys, I'm Kyle. I'm with the drafting room here at Obsessed Garage, and today we're in Matt's garage. Actually, we're going to be talking about the Sonic Tools MSS Plus 890mm 6-drawer cabinet. If someone doesn't need a ton of tools, or maybe there's a long lead time on like the 8-drawer version or something like that, a lot of times we'll go with this version because it still gives you 3 of the shallow 890mm size drawers, which allow you to have the XD inlay or 2 medium inlays, or I think it's 6 shallow inlays. So it's got the larger drawer on the bottom for charging if you wanted to, just like pretty much all of the other Sonic Tools MSS Plus cabinets. It's got this little grommet back here that kind of allows you to pass through to the articulating arm that's in the back that keeps the cord nice and tidy and doesn't get bound up or anything like that. It comes with the power bar bracket, just like all of the cabinets do in the bottom drawer. It does not come with the power bar itself though. In Europe, I think they get included, but for whatever reason in the US here, we don't get the power bars included from the factory. This is a super useful cabinet. It's very kind of well-rounded. So you get 3 shallows, then you have these 2 kind of medium deep, and then you have an extra deep. So this one, you can put all your cords in, or Milwaukee tools, charged up batteries, stuff like that. These also work really well for tool grid. You can do tool grid in the shallow drawers, but a lot of times because of the thickness of the tool grid, you kind of run out of height. Obviously this one still has the standard lock, just like all the other MSS Plus cabinets. We spec these out a lot, or for a good amount of raise, but like I said, I would probably prioritize the 8-drawer version if it's available. Sometimes there's a really long lead time on the 8-drawer version. So sometimes we'll just make a sacrifice for a number of drawers and just go with this 6-drawer, or because of the varying drawer sizes and everything, this is a good one to have too. So it's definitely one of our favorites, and the 890mm size is definitely the one that you want to go with rather than the 720mm if you can fit it in your space.